If you're having trouble logging into your bank account, here are some fixes you can try. The first thing to do is to check that you have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then try logging in again. Also make sure that you are typing your information correctly. The second step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data in your browser can cause login issues. To do this, open your browser and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then find the History button. After clicking on the History button, you can find the Delete Browsing Data button. Click on it, then select the time range as All Time. Now click on Delete Browsing Data and confirm it once again. After that, your browser cache and cookies will be cleared. Then simply try logging in again. You can also try updating your browser. Open your App Store or Play Store and search for your browser. Check if there are any updates available for your application. You will see an update button. Tap on it to download the latest version of it.